Hey guys, this video is going to be showing you how to analyze your data and do some basic Google Sheet stuff. So we took some data yesterday with the rock, paper, scissors lab, and it should look something like this. Now, I'm going to add in a small bit at the beginning here for people that may have entered their data using rock, paper, or scissors, the whole word, instead of R, P, or S. It needs to be an R, P, or S in order to have the data run more smoothly. So here's what we're going to do in order to fix that. So if your data looks like this and you have rock, paper, and scissors, pay attention here. If not, you can skip ahead and move on until we get to the average wins and total in the graph. So I'm going to highlight all of the cells I want to change. So if you have the full word in there, I'm going to highlight all those cells. What you're going to do is you're going to hold down Control and hit H. You're going to see a find and replace window pop up just like this. So it's going to search inside this range of cells in order to look for certain things. So what you're going to do is you want the program to find the words and replace them with the letters. So I'm going to type in like this, scissors, so scissors. So it's going to find the word scissors, and I want it to replace it with an S. And then I'm going to hit replace all. And as you can see, in real time on the left, it did that. And then I'm going to keep going. So paper, I want it to be a P, replace all. And then finally rock. I want to replace with an R, and then click replace all. So that just fixed your data table in a matter of seconds, so you didn't have to go through and manually do it. So that's a good reason to use this tool. It's awesome and saves you a lot of time.